How to grow a mulberry plant from cutting. The mulberry brambles in our garden appear to hold priority over the various plants. Perhaps that is on the grounds that they are so natural to administer to, are a valuable and organic product so effectively. You don't need to sit tight for a very long time for the berries to shape and age, for example. Stick a cutting into the pot today and you'll be reaping berries somewhere in the range of 2 months, not far off, in spite of the fact that I'd prompt picking those off as they shape and giving the plant a chance to grow somewhat more first. We pick berries by the cupful or a couple at any given moment, relying upon how radically we have pruned them. Read on and discover all the more, however, be cautioned. I'm dumping. You may have perused this in my post in a gathering somewhere else. On the off chance that so you can skirt this and the following couple of posts altogether. Else, it might all appear somewhat like a sensation that this has happened before or a rerun. Here are a couple of helpful pointers for the individuals who are quick to grow and later pick their own particular mulberries. For the individuals who are as yet asking why they should plant mulberries. A. The mulberry yields natural product inside 2 or 3 months of planting, in spite of the fact that you should squeeze off the principal flush of organic product with the goal that the new cutting can channel all its vitality into delivering roots. B. It consumes up little room and can be pruned and kept up at around 1-2 feet high and still bear heaps of natural product. Makes a decent bonsai-like organic product yielding example. C. Stunned pruning will guarantee a steady supply of berries. The more you prune, the more organic product you get. It is an extraordinary plant to have. Furthermore, it bodes well to share and pass your surplus cuttings to others and offer the delight. Select a couple of semi-ready cuttings. Trim off the top, leaving around 8-10 crawls for each cutting. If impressive time has sat back of pruning and the time it is planted, cut off around 1 centimeter of the bottom of the cutting and check. It should look new. In the event that it doesn't, remove a bit at any given moment until the point when you see confirmation of freshness. Evacuate all the greater leaves or divide the takes off. Fill pots with soil, compost, consumed topsoil, and so on. Plunge finishes of cuttings into establishing powder, discretionary however it enhances the odds. Plant firm down the dirt and water. Place the pot in a shaded place and water once every day. Try not to bother the cuttings or prepare for no less than a couple of months.